Good morning and welcome to our YouTube channel again. So in today's YouTube channel video, we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to use this particular machine. Are you seeing it? This washing machine. This is the 8 kilogram Oscar machine. It comes with the wash option and the air dry option. That is simply wash and squeeze, or squeeze to a particular way where when you spread it, it's going to get dried easily. So now guys, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, let us know where you're watching us from, because we are going to be doing this series of this kind of videos that are going to help you at home, because many people have complained that they have this machine but they don't know how to use it. So follow us on this journey as we take you on how to use it. Camera, come. So guys, this is the wash and spin option. In this option here, you either swap, if you swap it to either wash or you swap it to spin. Spinning this way, washing this way. And this is the timer. The timer is up to 15 minutes. This is the advantage of this particular washing machine. Unlike the other one where you have to wait close to 1 hour 45 minutes, this one has a 15 minutes wash option, meaning you just have to turn the timer to 15 minutes, and of course it's going to be washing your dresses for 15 minutes. It's going to rotate round until it goes to 0 and then stop. If you feel like the dresses are not clean again, you can always increase the timer. So 15 minutes, there are some dresses that you wash and a little time you can actually remove them from the washing machine. Now the second option is wash selector. It depends on the kind of cloth you have in this machine that will determine what you're washing. Now the normal is for normal. So there are some clothes that you don't need to heat them hard, so you put it on normal and select the time. But there are some clothes that we know that you need to heat them hard, so you put the wash selector at heavy. It should be heavy, and you increase the time to 15 minutes. So heavy means it will put more force in actually washing the dresses for the dresses to be fine or clean. All right, so normal. Now this one is the next one, is the drain selector, where you have wash or rinse and drain. Wash or rinse and drain. Now this wash rinse means either you're using this or this. Draining means you are removing the water out of the washing machine. If you put a drain, there's a pipe connected to the washing machine down. Good, come back up. That pipe there will eliminate the water, so you can actually put the water in. The water will go to your sewage system. The pipe will direct it to that area. So it's a very good washing machine. Now this is the spin timer. This spin timer works only here. As there's the wash timer for this side, there's also the spin timer for this side. You should understand the differences. So in spinning, like I said before, you are spinning the dress, or you are, how do we call this thing? You are trying to squeeze the dress. So in spinning, as you're spinning, you will notice that water is coming out. So most of the times it's good to put, when you put spin, you just put that drain and your spin timing. Now, there's one important function. I want us to see this inside. See, this is how this place is inside. So you put your dresses here and it spins. These holes here are for water to go out of the dresses as you are drying them. Then when down inside there, you put it like that inside the dress to cover the dress. That is the function of this one. You close and you close this one. When you put the dresses, before you set it to spin, if you want to drain and spin timer. So now it becomes now squeezing. You can get the noise. That's how it functions. All right, so that's it for this side. Now this side is the wash sector. You can easily remove this one if you don't want to do anything with it. You can remove this. And for the purpose of this video, you can see this is the spinner. Let me put it to, wash. That's wash. Put timer and put heavy. We are going to see how it's rotating. So water comes from here. This thing is like a filter. It filters the water that comes from here to enter inside this place. So water comes from here. So you can, the advantage of this one is, apart from this 15 minutes wash timer, you can connect it directly to the pipe, to your tap, your water source, like this. It supplies it directly. Or you can actually pour water from a bucket into it. While other washing machines don't have this functionality, This one can help you to do that. So it is that good to use. So you're seeing how it's rotating. All right, normal, and I'll put it in the middle, and we can close it back. Stop. So guys, you've watched the video. We've shown you how the washing machine works on its own. Now the next part is that we are going to demonstrate. Now it's going to be that kind of video where you have to watch till the end to see if it's actually what you want to get. And of course, it consumes less current as compared to the other one that I actually posted the other time. This one consumes less, it's better, you can wash faster, you can pour water in the bucket. So these are the advantages of this one that for one, I prefer that every home should have this one. It is good. We are located in Cameroon. If you want to get this, you can actually get it from us. So guys, now enough of the talking. Let's go to the dresses. Don't come so close. You have to first of all steep your dresses. It is important that you steep the dresses. You steep the dresses first before you put them inside here. For this one, I've been steeping them now for close to 3 hours, so I can actually wash them here. Now, if you want to put your detergent, it's good you steep with your detergent also before putting it, especially if you're doing white, if you have white dresses that you want to wash. And white dresses take a longer time to wash in the washing machine. You need to understand that. The advantage of the washing machine is that you can just put your dress, put it on timer, and go and do any other thing you're doing. And it does not consume you much time, and you get the work done. You don't dirty your nails, especially aunties in the house that have beautiful nails that you just made. You don't have to dirty your nails. You don't have to stress your wife. You don't have to even stress yourself as a man. You just do your thing on your own time, in your own way, while doing your work. If you are working from home, you can be doing your work on your computer, teaching, while the washing machine is doing the washing for you. All right. We steeped it with normal powder detergent, but some people can go in extra mile to get dissolvers, powder detergent, and also you can get this other one, bleaching agents, if it is white, if you know what you're doing. You can also go to the extra mile of actually putting starch when you are done washing your dresses, so you know what to do and how to do it. All right guys, enough of the talking, let's get to work. Okay. So when you put your dresses here, it's advisable to close it. If not, so water will spill all over. Echo, where? So it's advisable that when you put it like this, you cover it. Because if not, so water will spill all over. You want it to continue doing its work, then you can remove your glove and go and do one or two things. You want to read a book for 15 minutes. Okay, you go. Alright guys, now the next thing is, if you want to rinse your dresses, all you need to do is turn it to drain. Sorry, man, this thing is sleeping. So you turn it to drain and still leave the wash timer on. The more it rotates, the more it drains water, and water will come out from this pipe and go to the drainage place where you want. So now if you want to rinse it, you add more water again and repeat the process. You repeat it for each to spin, then drain, spin and drain. It rinses it. So when you're done with that one, the next option is to transfer it into this place. So when you are done with washing, you transfer it to the spinning area where you have to air dry it. You have to spin it until it becomes semi-dry. That when you spread, in about 30 minutes, your dresses will dry off easily. So that is one of the wonders of the washing machine. After this encounter, you will not be able to have those smelly dresses again. You close it well, and of course you set its timer, and make sure the button is on the other side of it and not the wash. Thank you. So now it is done spinning. I remove this. For example, it's dry. See, for example, it's dry. I can just put this one now for less amount of time and it's done. Sure. Almost. This and that. Et voilà. Nous sommes prêts maintenant. So guys, you've seen how to use this machine. In the next video, we are going to show you how to take care of the machine, how to wash it, how to clean it when you are done with everything like this, because the machine, that is one of the best things of the machine. You can be through with all of this, you clean it and dry it and put it back in the house. Also, it comes with its own stand, like you see. This thing is like a cushion effect to prevent it from shaking too much. This one here. So anytime you buy this machine, don't discard this down, please. Don't discard it. And you can easily move the machine from place to place. So guys, look at it's dry. I can just spread this thing and it will not take a long time for it to get better for me to use for. It will just take maybe, let's say, 30 minutes and it will get dry. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.